Hey folks, Dan Frio here in the Mortgage Update, and today is August 27th. And what happened in the news today? Well, the stock market went down 120. There was really, you might see some flashes up through here that kind of goes through consumer confidence. Consumer confidence report came in higher than kind of was expected. Home prices, there was two indexes that came out. One has a year-over-year increase in home values of 3.1. The other was right around 4, so that's a good indicator. You can see here, and you're watching the channel because this is what we follow on this channel, is the mortgage-backed securities market, up 23. That's big. And I apologize. I missed again yesterday, and that's my fault. But I'm trying to get back in pace. So please bear with me. There's some days that are longer than others, and it's just tough to do this, but I'm trying my best. Bond yields on the 10-year went down a little bit. You're still going to see, or you're going to hear daily, recession next year. And why? Because of they're saying there's an inversion in the yield curve. And I just made a video, and I posted that Sunday. I tried my best. I was in my backyard, kind of hanging out at the pool, and I did a video kind of to explain in the most generic terms I can, just to make it simple, what the inversion curve, what it is, what it does, and why it's followed. And so just if you refer back just to my Sunday's video on the inversion yield curve, if you want to check that out. But let's see what's going on today. So here's, a lot of the things is, what I say, what do I do different? This is what I monitor. And you're going to see there's huge, ups and downs in the bond market, as is the stock market right now. One day it's up 700, next day it's down 700, next day it's up 200, next day it's down 300. If you pick the timing, you're going to do okay. And well, stocks is tough. But in this, in what we do, what I do is if I can grab a rate for you or lock in your rate, maybe a 0.2 difference or lower in rate, this is what I monitor day in and day out. I watch this, and I try to get my clients, I do the best I can to lock them in at lower rates than anybody else has. And, if it saves you 50, 60, $100 a month, I mean, think of $100 a month over 30 years. It's $36,000 by me just being able to grab that little bit lower rate for you. So let's look at some resistance levels. Again, these are all over the map. You're going to see we have a floor here and a ceiling here. We're going right in the middle. This isn't bad. I like rates at this level. If they just stay consistent here, things will be okay. The biggest things we try to avoid are the disparities here. These are, a lot of times these are caused by Trump tweets, believe it or not. I hate to say it that way, but it is. The China debacle right now, the tweets and the fighting with China is causing some major reactions right now, so pay attention to that. The world economy is starting to get a little bit fearful because of the tariff wars, and it's saying they're reducing a lot of the world growth because of that. But we have resistance levels here and here. We're staying right in the middle of that, so that's good news for bonds. I'm still saying right now, cautiously float. I'm not locking. If we have another day like this, I will yell midday and tell you guys, lock in. Again, this video is mainly going out to real estate people and mortgage people. This is probably a good training tool for your loan officers, what they should be doing for their clients. And also for realtors, let your clients subscribe to this channel. Let them know what's going on with rates. Don't leave it just up to the mortgage person to just put them into a program. And know, if they say, well, rates went up today. Well, Dan Frio just showed us the charts. They didn't go up today. So that's why I do the channel. So again, I hope you like the video. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe down below. Leave a comment. I am up to date. Every comment that's posted on my channel has been reviewed and answered. So if you have anything there, please, if you got any comments, please leave them. If you'd like to reach me personally, you can call 844-775-LOAN or shoot me an email at dfrio, which is F-R-I-O, at parksidelending.com. God bless. Have a great night. I will see you back tomorrow.